Okay, otherwise this is geometric.
Yes, geometry.
Okay, use chat. We can use the.
Okay, start. Good morning, students. And I hope you are all ready for the class today. So I just need you to write your name on the chat box for attendance. Please kindly do that within the next 2 minutes. Yes, Aisha Abdullahi, good morning. Daniel Adelowo, good morning. Yes, who else? Amoda, good morning. Odushote, good morning. Arasi, good morning. Abdulatif, good morning. Aisha Azam, good morning. Yes. So, good morning, Aisha Azam. Good morning, everyone. So please, the rest should please sign in whenever they are online. So last week we discussed about materials and processing vis-a-vis metal, types of metal, different types of metal, uses of metal, and so on and so forth. Those are the topic for last week. And we know what metals are used for. Then we also discuss about plastics, uses of plastic, components of plastic, how plastics are made. Also, we discussed about rubbers, what the rubbers are being used for, how rubbers are made, components of rubbers, and so on and so forth. Also, we discussed about ceramics, how ceramics are made, uses of ceramics, and components of ceramics, different ways of making ceramics products. Also, we discussed about how we can use ceramics product for different things. Now, for today, we are going to start with geometric construction. Today's topic is geometric construction. Please just type in yes if you can see the slide. Can you see the slide? Just type in yes. Can you see the slide? Oh, good. Great. Geometric construction. So when we talk about geometric construction means drawing of shapes, angles, or lines accurately. Geometric construction is all about drawing different types of lines. No, you may not copy now. You may not copy now. Let us have the class first, after which we can decide to copy later. Don't copy now. Just listen attentively. So when we talk about geometric construction, geometry means drawing of shapes, angles, or lines accurately. In our different ways in life, when you're in primary school, you are being taught how to draw using just pencil, scribbling on paper, drawing different kinds of shapes. And it starts from drawing a straight line. From there, you go into figures. They taught you how to draw one, how to write one, how to now twist the shape to write two, using curve and a dash. how to write 3 using 2 curves, how to write 4 using 3 straight lines to form a letter called 4. Then 5 using 2 straight lines and a curve. 6 using a total curve with letter O, which is a circle in the middle. 7 using 2 straight lines joined together at an angle. 8 using 2 circles joined together in the middle. 9 using circle and a curve. Then 10 using a straight line and a circle. Those are ways of drawing geometry. So that is how geometry started from. In engineering, without geometry, there is no engineering, because drawing starts from geometry. Drawing starts from geometry. So before you can talk about geometry, you must know how to draw. Amina Abdullahi, you can't hear me. Check your network. Check your network. Other can hear me very well. Omar Akali, I just started the class, so please listen attentively. The topic is geometric construction. Geometric construction. Like what? Geometric construction, yes. So, and I was talking about how geometric construction come into being. Geometric construction come into being with earlier stage of you in primary school or even nursery school started with how you are being taught how to scribble on paper using different shapes. Then when you don't know anything, they taught you how to just draw shapes like straight lines, horizontal and vertical lines, horizontal and vertical lines. Today is 28th of October, 2019, Aisha Hassan. So they taught you how to write straight lines. Then from there, they started with figures. They taught you how to just scribble a straight line, and you are told that straight line is 1. Then 2, which is a curve and a dash. Then 3, which is 2 different curves joined together. 4, 3 types of straight line joined at different angles. 5, 2 straight lines and a curve. 6, it starts with a curve and a circle. 7, 2 straight lines joined at an angle. 8, 2 circles joined together in the middle. 9, circle and a curve. 10, then we have a straight line and a circle, and so on and so forth. That is how geometry started. Now, construction in geometry means drawing of shapes, angles, or lines accurately. When you are drawing shapes and lines accurately, you only need just 4 things, just 4 tools. When you are in GS1, I taught you on usage of drawing materials like biro, like pencil, like mathematical sets, compass, divider, and so on and so forth. All these things are part of drawing material for geometric construction. And what you only need now, you don't need a comprehensive drawing material. All what you need is a compass, ruler, pencil, and probably a cleaner, so that if you make mistake, you can be able to correct it. You don't need all other drawing materials like set square, like T-square, drawing board, and so on and so forth. You don't need that one now for geometric construction. So in geometric construction, you only draw with compass, ruler, pencil, cleaner, and a clean sheet of paper. Now, let's go to lines. Lines. A line is a long thin mark which is drawn or painted on a surface. A line is also a straight one designed to be either thick or thin that extend to both sides, and also the shortest distance between two dots or points. And lines are used for construction and drawing of various objects. If you have two dots on a paper separated by a space, all you got to do is to join the two dots together by a single straight line. Construction of line is very, very simple. Just put two dots on a paper, then join them together. You have a line. So like I said, a line is a long thin mark which is drawn or painted on a surface. A line is also a straight line, a straight one designed to be either thick or thin that extends to both directions, and also shorter distance between the two dots. Between two dots. So, lines are used for construction and drawing of various objects. Do not write now. I will project again, you have to write then. But for now, don't write. Now, I believe all of you guys have a plain sheet on your table. Just type in yes if you all have. Oh, good. Adelowo, very good. Now, with that white sheet of paper, Abdulateef, get a paper, please. Farida, get a paper. If you don't have a plain sheet, please get a plain sheet now. Then you need a pencil, just like I said. What you need to draw a line. Get a pencil, a ruler, and a plain sheet. Now, I hope you've gotten that now. On your paper, just put a tiny dot and separate, give a little space, then put another dot on that sheet of paper. Just place it on the screen. Let me see it. I can see it from here. Two dots. Place two dots on that paper. Then place it on the screen and let me see what you have done. Bright, Ridwan Arasi. Okay, Lawal. So have you done that? Abdulateef, what I said is get a plain sheet of paper, a pencil, a ruler, and a cleaner. Get those things just on the slide now. A compass, a ruler, pencil, and your cleaner. Have you gotten that now? Have you got that? Yes, after that, then you put two dots on that paper. Fatima Akali, where is your own paper? Get a plain sheet, please. Plain sheet of paper. And also get ready your compass, your ruler, your pencil, and a cleaner. If you have done that, please just type in yes. Just type in yes if you have done that. Hello, everyone. Okay, Farida, Onabanjo. Okay, Amida Popola, good. Sena, yes. Aisha Azan, yes. What about others? Ridwan Arasi, where is yours? Bright, where is yours? Okay, good, Bright. Moshood, yes, good. Great, Lawal. All right. Now, just put two dots on that paper. Separate the two dots with a minimum margin. That is one dot at one side and another dot at the other end. Who is Galaxy A70? Please, I need you to put your name there. Galaxy A70 is not your name. Please, I need your name. Who is Galaxy A70, please? Alperen, yes, great. So now, put a dot on that white paper, then give a little distance, put another dot there. Have you done that? Yes. Now with your ruler and your pencil, join the two dots together. With your ruler and your pencil, join the two dots together. Fatima Akali. What I said is get a paper, compass, ruler, pencil, and a cleaner. Then put a dot on that plain sheet. Then give a little distance, put another dot, making 2 dots. Then join the 2 dots together with a ruler using your pencil. Join the 2 dots together. If you have done that, just type in yes. If you have done that, okay. Sena, you have done that, great. Asha Abdullahi, great. Yes, Alima, very good. Very good. Now, successfully, you have formed a line. By joining the 2 dots together, you have joined a line. That is, you have drawn a line. That is a line. Okay? Yes, let's go to the second one. So, like I said, a line is a long thin mark which is drawn or painted on a surface. A line is also a straight one designed to be either thick or thin that extends to both directions and also shortens the distance between 2 dots or points. So, which is what you have just done now. Now, lines are used for construction and drawing of various objects. Now, let's go to type of lines. Type of lines. We have so many types of lines, but the most common one are the one we are going to discuss today. First one is thick line. Thick line. On your paper, on the paper that you have, just draw a straight line and make it to be well pronounced. Draw a straight line, apply pressure on the pencil and make sure it appears thick. Then place it on the screen and let me see it. Yes, who have done that? Type yes if you have done that. Redwan Arase, I can't see your own line. Sena, okay, you have done that. Yes, good. Just place it on the screen and let me see it. Akali, I said you should draw a straight line. Just draw a line. Okay, Redwan Arase, very good. I've seen yours. Very good. So that is a thick line. That's how to draw a thick line. If you have drawn that, just type in yes. Very good. Then on that same paper, draw another line. Do not apply pressure on your pencil. Draw another line. Do not apply pressure on the pencil. Make it as thin as possible, as thin and as faint as possible. Also, make sure your pencil is well sharpened. Make sure your pencil is well sharpened. Draw another line. Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay. If you have done that, just type in yes. Abdul Salam, what is it that you don't understand? Please be specific. Abdul Salam, be specific. What is it that you don't? Okay, yes, you have done that. Okay, Amida Popola, Alperen, Asha Azam, Oyelu. Okay, yes, great. I've seen that. Now, there's another one that we call thin short line. Thin short line. So this one just draw a tiny line that is very short, give space, draw another one, give space and draw another one. That is thin short line. Make sure the pencil is as faint as possible. Just a faint line. Abdul Salam, are you just joining us? I'm explaining about lines, please. How to draw line. And I asked you to get some drawing materials. Okay, Abdul Salam, do you understand now? Akali, I said you should draw on another side of the paper. Just draw a short line separated by a tiny space, then another line separated by a tiny space. I will still show you the slide of those lines, but I want you to practice on your own. Okay, Afsha Abdullah, you are done. Very good. Great. If you are done, just sign in yes. Apparent, yes. Sena, yes. Great. All right. The next one is thick, short lines. Okay, good. Omena. Akali, yes. Yeah, great. You got it. Yeah, Sharif. Okay, that's good. Arasi, good. Yeah, Azan, great. Now, the next one is thick, short line. The way you've drawn that thin, short line, you now thicken your line, apply pressure, and draw the same thing as that thin, short line, but make this one to be very thick. That one should give you thick, short line. If you have done if you have done that, just type yes. Okay, Abdullah, yes. If you have done that, just type in yes. Okay, good, great. Apparent, Sena, yes. Arasi, good. Adelo, yes. Yes. Amina Abdullah, good. Yes, Abdulatif, that's good. Okay. Omena, great. Now let's go to the other one. This one is thin, long chain. Thin, long chain. This one, you extend the line a little bit. You extend it a little bit, you give space, extend it a little bit, and you give space. But make it to be very thin. It has to be thin, not thick. Thin. If you have done that also, just type in yes. Akali, this one, what I'm saying is that if you draw another line, make sure it's longer than the other ones that you have drawn. Give space, then draw another one. Give space and draw another one. Okay, Asha Abdullah, great. Apparent, good. Sena, yes. Yes, Sharif, good. Omena, great. Yes, that's good. All right. Now, the next one is thick, long chain. You now draw this one, you make it to be very thick, and it has to be long, just like thin, long chain. If you have done that, just type in yes. Okay, Yaramde Balogun, great. Yes, if you have done that, type in yes. Okay. Okay, good, great. Now, the next one is ruled line. Ruled line. This one, just draw a straight line, then you pause, then another straight line. A straight line, you pause, then another straight line. If you have done that, please type in yes. If you have done that, just type in yes. Okay, Ogala, good. Yes, Aisha Azan. Omena, good. Lawal, yes. Aperen, good. Yes. Abdusalam, what I said is draw another line, just a single straight line separated by a space, then another straight line. That's what I asked you to do. Oh, yeah, look good. Yes, that's good. Sena, Tamam, that's good. Yes, Arasi, great. That's good. Now, another one is thick, wavy line. Thick, wavy line. Of course, you know how a wave is. So, but you have to make it thick. Thick, wavy line. Thick, wavy line. If you have done that, just type in yes. This one is not a straight line, but it's a line that has a curve and a curve and a curve. Just like the one they used to check someone's heartbeat in the hospital. Do you understand? So if you have done that, just type in yes. Okay, good, Aisha Azan. Apparent, good. Moshood, that's great. Amino, yes. Sena, yes. That's good. All right. Can I proceed to the next slide now? Let's proceed to the next slide. Now, let's go to the uses of lines. Fatima Akali, what is it? Draw a straight line, then a curve, then a straight line, a curve, then a straight line again. That's what I asked you to do. Very good. Yes, Demola, very good. Yes, so uses of lines. You have known this different type of line. Then let us see their uses. Lines are used for thick outlines. That is, thick lines are used for outlines. Thick lines are used for outlines. Thick lines are used for outlines. Then thin lines are used for dimension lines, projection lines, construction lines, and hatching lines. Thin lines are used for dimension lines, projection lines, construction lines, and hatching lines. Then thin short lines are used for hidden details. Thin short lines are used for hidden details. Then thin long chain lines are for center lines, pitch lines, path lines, and for indicating movement. Thin long chain lines are used for center lines, pitch lines, path lines, and for indicating movement. Now, thick long chain lines, the next one is thick long chain lines. They are used for cutting planes and viewing planes. Okay? They are used for center lines. Sorry, thick long chain lines are used for cutting planes and viewing planes. Then rule lines and short zigzag lines are used for break lines. They are used for break lines. Then the next one is thick wavy lines, which are used for short break lines and irregular boundary. Thick wavy lines are used for short break lines and irregular boundary. I hope you all get that. Those are uses of lines. Then please, a moment, please. So, have you all, do you all understand now? If you understand, just type in yes. If you don't, just type in no and specify. If you understand, just type in yes. If you don't understand, just type in no. Then you specify the parts you don't understand. Specify the side, the place you don't understand. Please, if you understand, just type in yes. I'm waiting for your response, please. Yes, Abdullah, what is it that you don't understand? Please type in be specific. Be specific, please. Be specific. Please be specific.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Fatima Akali, which one is the last one you don't understand? Last type of lines. Which one is that? Thick wavy line. Thick wavy line is used for short break line and irregular boundary. Short break line and irregular boundary. Chain lines, those are, look away, chain lines are the ones that have short break at intervals. Short break at intervals. Yes, who else? Abdul Latif, I hope I've been able to answer your question. Okay, please, who else? Kindly indicate. Who else? If there is a place you don't understand, please kindly indicate there. Aisha Abdullah, what is it that you don't understand? Please be specific. Be specific, please. Thick wavy lines. Thick wavy lines are just like the lines we replicate. In hospital, there is a machine which they use in measuring heartbeat that shows wavy lines when the person's heart is beating, the way the person's heart is beating. That is how, that is the type of line we are talking about. Yes, we are writing notes. I will project the notes shortly. We are writing notes. I will project it shortly.